Good morning. Nothing going on out there in the real world except Russia has just started to deploy a nuclear icebreaker. They already have a nuclear reactor up in the Arctic supplying power to oil drilling rigs. Boiling water for energy. Isn't that science? Isn't that the future? Boiling water and polluting it. Don't forget the polluting it note because that happens. Don't let the mistruths mislead you. So this icebreaker, what's it going to do? We could argue how much ice is left up there, right? But all they have to do is leave it sitting running. It's boiling water. It's pulling in seawater and boiling it and putting boiled, polluted seawater back out. 24 hours a day forever. Forever. Boiling water, polluting our planet. What will go wrong? The salesmen are out there. There's new super duper micro mini super duper mini modular reactor thingies coming with diamonds, and we're fucked. Lying, deceitful, profitable wealth. Good luck, kids.